Hello guys, and today I want to show you how to uninstall an application on MacBook. Okay, so let's go. The first step, you need to go to Finder right here, and then you have to select on Applications and go to Search, and you need to search for an app that you want to uninstall. For an example, I want to uninstall the BlueStack. Okay, BlueStack right here. This is just an application. So the next step to uninstall all of these files, you need to go to the plus sign right here, select on it, and on the left hand you need to select on this name or some MacBook. Right here it show kinds like this. So the first step, the way to go to uninstall, you need to go to system file. Okay, but in some MacBook it doesn't show system file. If you want to find the system file, you need to go to other, okay, and then you have to search for system, okay, system file right here, and then select on it. In my MacBook I already selected, so it has on this side. Okay, so you just select on system file, and on the right hand you need to select on included, select on it, and then you will see all the system file of the BlueStack. So you have to select all of this file, and then you have to drag it to the trash can. Okay, just like this, and type your password. Okay, that's it, that's all. So this tutorial can use with the other app